my survival world. Yung survival world na...
So guys, maglalaro pala tayo ng Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So, nandito namin, ka-join natin si Moonman
Okay, guys.
at saka si Francis Gaming.
Yes! No, Friends from Heck!
So, part 1 muna tayo, mga totropa.
Asan ka? Wing. Okay, so Kuya GFPH joined the game. So today we will be meeting him because we haven't met him before. Just joking, right? So guys, I've created a secret base that none of you will know. As long as the moss is on it, okay? It's somewhere here in this cave. Can somebody kill me, please?
And survive.
Asan ka? And English. Oh God.
Ayun na.
You can understand it.
Ito yung bahay namin ni ano, ni Franz.
You can understand English and English.
Ito yung bahay ni ano, Moonman at saka si Franz. At saka ito yung akin. Ito naman yung akin.
Kael! I said you can speak English. That's fine.
Ay, nakikita ko pangalan nyo. Encio, I'm here. I'm here. Yan, tama natin. Bilisan natin. May secret base ka dyan.
I don't know, first I scored dalawa, pickaxe, 1, 2, 3, and finally,
Ayan.
pickaxe,
Ayan, ang natin.
sword. Hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng armor. Keep inventory naman dito yung
Oh my god, nakakasakit yung magma.
Let's go, believe in
Tama.
me.
Teka, may ba akong skill?
I'm at the
Yun.
other end. I put blocks so I could know where where are you? I got an orb! I got an orb! The orb from the distance.
Hanap muna tayo ng gold.
Or from the nether. What orb? The golden thing? Quartz. I think quartz. What color is the nether quartz? I'm correct. Uh-oh. Why?
Nakakatakot maglakad dun, no?
Okay lang yan.
Grabe, ayun yung Enderman.
Okay, okay lang yan. Oh my goodness, I found so
Grabe,
much
ayun yung
magma.
Enderman, guys.
Hey, I'm the magma specialist. Okay, I'm the magma specialist.
Ay, ay, pwede pa naman dito. Ayun siya, oh.
Where?
Moon, ayun siya, oh. Ayun, oh. Diba, sundan natin.
Wait, where are you?
Moon,
Are you
Moon, tama.
What? I thought my pickaxe was one on breaking. Help me!
Sure. Mga atake. Oh no, mamamatay ako. Pahinga muna ako. Pahinga muna ako. mamamatay ako.
Oh, underground base.
Pahinga muna ako, mamamatay ako.
I'm going to just I died!
Oh my god.
Yes, I'm going to build a... Hey, wait, I think we should surround the base using magma, right? Give me all the magma you have. Wait, I'm going to make a sword.
Saan kayo?
I mean a pickaxe. Give me all the magma you have. Come on, wait.
Oy, wait nga ako, gagawa ako. May gagawin ako.
I only have 14 magma. Come on, get me out of the Wait, get me. I'm going to make a pickaxe. Wait.
Hanap muna tayo ng diamonds.
No. Let's do this. Yeah.
Oh my god. Post video.
Where should we put the base?
Oh my god, guys. Mamamatay na ako, guys. Uy, moon man. Di,
Come to me! Guys, wait!
if I fell, don't laugh, ha?
Huwag gagalaw. Yeah, wait, you forgot we made the bridge, right? Yeah. Here, we can stay here in the bridge. Yes, I found some nether quartz. Oh, wait. I'm going to called quartz. Hey, I need it! Give me that. Here's some. Thank you, I love magma.
Hey, wait for me.
Can I have some magma? Hey, wait, ow. There's so much magma, get some now.
Yo, man.
I'm just going to...
Oh my god.
I have 45. And my pickaxe isn't broken and it's almost broken. I can escape. Ah! Wait lang. Ah! Why is there so much magma? I can't even... The game is lagging. Oh! What? Is this a magma farm? Look at this, Kel.
Grabe.
Oh, wait.
Uy.
I know where to put the base. I found some gold. Get it. I got some more gold. Oh my goodness, we got another farm here.
Oh my god, may enderman. Oh no. Diba? Mamaya, ano tayo ng diamonds mamaya?
Wait, I found something. It's gold. Blackstone. What's blackstone? Give it to me, please. No, I want it. I found it. I want some more blackstone. Let's give it something.
Ano ba itong enderman na to?
I have 12 XP right now. Epic Emerald level 13. And now we can create a door.
Alam ko ipabalik.
Bye. Nandito na ako sa bahay.
Alam ko na ipabalik.
Hindi, kailangan mo lang mamatay. Babalik ka lang.
Nasa nether ako? Nanaginip ba ako na nasa nether ako?
Alam. The farm grew. This thing. Why do you need that? I don't know. Oh, why did I place it there?
So far ito na to.